My name's Caitlyn. One thing that a homeowner can expect when they meet me is a smile at the end of the day. I just want to make sure that I'm getting all of my info across and that you're understanding everything that's going into your project and what can come out of your project. And at the end of the day, you just need to be happy and know exactly what's going into everything that you're putting your time and money into. One tip that I would give a customer that's preparing for their first consultation is honestly ask as many questions as you feel you need to. Any question that came across your mind in any time whatsoever, even if it's in the middle of the conversation, feel free to always ask that question. No question is a stupid question. When I first started learning everything, there's a lot into every single process that comes into home remodeling or just making your house look pretty at the end of the day. So any question is completely welcomed. And at the end of the day, you deserve to know everything that's going into everything. So you definitely have every right to ask every question you need to. So outside of work, what my enjoyment of free time is, what it basically would look like is anything outdoors. I'm a big sports lover. I play softball. I actually coach a baseball men's team also as well. Pretty much anything outside. If I'm spending time with my dog, family, friends, doesn't matter what I'm doing as long as I'm smelling the fresh air. Once again, I'm Caitlyn McCann and I look forward to seeing you.